Hi guys, and welcome back. Right now we're going to be taking notes for the area of a circle. So the formula for the area of a circle is A equals pi times radius squared. So another way to think of it is the area is pi times the radius times the radius. So remember, the area of a circle is the inside part of a shape. Okay, so looking at an example, if I have a circle with a radius of 4 centimeters. So to find the area, I'm going to take pi times the radius squared. So remember, for pi, we use 3.14. Radius, remember, is from the center to the corner, is 4, and it's going to be 4 squared. So using my calculator, we know that 4 squared is 16. 16 times pi is 50 and 24 hundredths, and that'll be centimeters squared because we're finding the area. So what happens if we're given the diameter instead of the area, or I'm sorry, the radius? So this time I have a diameter of 6 centimeters. Okay, well, if the diameter is 6, we need the radius, so half of 6. So if the diameter is 6, our radius is half of that, so we would do 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So we need to use the radius. So area equals pi times radius squared. Pi is 3.14. Our radius, we said, was 3, and that is 3 squared. So doing order of operations, we know 3 squared is 9. So 9 times 3.14 gives us an area of 28 and 26 hundredths. And again, we'll do centimeters squared because it's area. One thing you will notice, though, is that some places ask you to do things in terms of pi. So that's a phrase you're going to hear quite frequently, or in your directions. In terms of pi means instead of using the pi value of 3.14, that we leave it as the pi symbol. So in this example, 3.14 times 4 squared, it would look more like pi times 4 squared, whereas you leave the pi symbol in terms of pi. So our answer would actually be 16 pi centimeters squared. Okay, so you multiply the value of the numbers, but you leave pi as its symbol. So looking down here, if I were to write this in terms of pi, again, it would be area is equal, instead of using the value, we leave the symbol, and it's radius squared. So when we work this out, we would do 3 squared is 9. We would leave our pi symbol in terms of pi, and then our units of measurement, centimeters squared. So sometimes it asks for the value, sometimes it asks in terms of pi, so you might see either way. All you would have to do to this is take 9 times 3.14, and you would actually get this value.